First of all, this is a histogram. Histograms are like bar charts. Now, unlike bar charts, histograms are used for continuous data. Continuous data. So see the 0 to 10 interval here. See that 0 to 10? It means including 0, but 10 wouldn't be included. Where would 10 go? 10 would go next one. And that'd be 10 inclusive, but you're not allowed, you have to be under 20. Do you get what I'm saying? That's how these intervals work, okay? Now, what they're going to ask is, if there are 4 people in the 10 to 20 year group, answer the following question. Where's the 10 to 20 group? Yeah, that makes sense. It goes across a 4. Who's the modal class, the most common? 40 to 50, roughly 17 people. That makes sense, halfway between 16 and 18. Okay, I'm just going to put the totals up here for a minute, just so we can see them quite easily. Okay, here we go. Now, the modal class we all agreed was, how many people aged between 30 and 40? 10. Modal class we already got was 40 to 50 years old, yeah. Next question. How many people were aged under 30? 6 plus 4 plus 12. Okay. Modal's the most common answer. Most common. Okay. How many people lived in the village? We have to add them all together, don't we? 60. Okay. 6, 12, 22, 39, 51, 57, 60. Which interval contains 20% of the people surveyed? So what's 60 multiplied by 20%? 12 people. Which one had 12 people in it? 50 to 60. Okay. Where does the median age lie? Okay. How many people do we have again? Who's dead center? 30 and 31. Let's find the location of 30 and 31. 30th and 31st. Let's see where they're hanging out. Okay. Would you all agree that the first, 6, 12, the first 22 people are in here? Agreed? And then the next 17 people after 22, so it's going to be like, 23 to 49, is it? Numbers 23 to 49 are going to be in here. So that means 30 and 31 are definitely in there. So what's that mean about the median? Median is 40 to 50. Okay, you draw your histogram, and your histogram looks as follows. You got 8 for the first one. You got 14 for the second one. You got 28 for the next one. And finally, you got 20 for the last one. Okay, I have my histogram now. Now, write down the modal class. Who's the modal class? The most common one is 25 to 35. Okay. How many people do we have in total here? Is it? Yeah, I think you're right with that. 70. Who's the middle of 70? And 36. Now, where are 35 and 36 located? Well, the first 22 are in here, and then the next 28 are in here. So that must mean 35 and 36 are in between 25 and 35. What was it? 22 to 25, 35. Okay. What interval contains exactly 20% of the people? 20% of 70? Which one has 14 people? Yeah. Okay. What's the greatest number of people who could have spent more than 30 minutes in the shopping complex? More than 30 minutes. So here's what we're going to claim. We're going to claim that all the people in this interval here, do you see all 28 people? It says maximum. So we're going to claim that all of them spent, for argument's sake, 33 minutes each. Where would that put them? It put all 28 of them above 30. 28 plus 20, 48. Okay. Using mid-interval values, calculate the mean time spent in the shopping complex correct to nearest minute. Well, the good news for me is that we now have the calculator function, don't we? So let me show you. Okay. Hopefully on the new calculator if I have it. Excellent. Here we go. Here's what I'm going to do. Menu. I'll say press AC to get rid of this. Menu, statistics. I'm going to go for one variable. My frequency's there, yeah? What's the halfway between 5 and 15? 10. What's the halfway between 15 and 25? 20. And what's the halfway point between 25 and 35? And then the next is going to be 40, is it? Now, all I got to do is go over and fill in the frequencies now. So what's my frequency? 8. Next one. 14. Next one. 28. Now, this is fast, but it's essentially all or nothing. Do you get what I'm saying? No marks or full marks, because there's going to be no workings for this. And you get full marks for the answer, okay? Now, all I do next, press AC, press options, 2, and then what I do is I read my calculator. As you can see, it's quite small, quite a bit on the small side there, okay? And there it is there. Where's my mean? Mean is 28.57, and that will get me full marks. Does it say that? To nearest what? Nearest minute? 29.